a little bit more information around contributing factors to trusted leaders. The top 3 correlated responses related to I can talk to my supervisor about issues impacting me. My supervisor is willing to listen to work-related problems. I have flexibility, and my supervisor provides me with clear and constructive feedback. So this concept of having someone who can actively listen, coach, and supports this concept of psychologically safe work environments and positive psychosocial workplaces. So a couple of take-home messages there. Coach leaders to actively listen, provide that flexibility, and coach leaders to give constructive feedback. So that's a really quick summary, a bit of a tie-in to, I guess, what industry is saying around some benchmark data to complement the work that Liz has spoken about already.